So guys, for the first step, you're going to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Update. We're going to scroll down until we find Windows Update. Double click on it. You want to make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will now make the server status running, and then click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now once this comes up, you want to select I can't download, install or uninstall an update. You want to click on yes to run the Windows Update diagnostic. Wait for this to load. And now once this comes up, if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you now want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health and then click on enter. And you now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.